Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And I'm basically going all in right now on Ondo Finance and XRP. And I'm here to tell you guys why in this video. I didn't really do this necessarily by design, but seeing where the market is, seeing where we're going, I just can't help to really position myself heavily in this RWA US based ISO narrative, especially where the market is right now. It feels as if they're trying to shake us out of all the other stuff, and we're trying to front run like where this money's going to go, right? If you believe we're in this market where now it's being led by the institutions, and retail, for all intents and purposes, at least right now, they're on the sidelines. They don't have the liquidity. And the liquidity they did have has been washed out in the meme coin market and pump fun and Trump coin and all this stuff, right? I'm in that camp. But I think we have to be talking about and thinking about front running the next narrative. What's the next meta? And to me, the next meta is very simple to see. It's what pumped already in the altcoin market. XRP, Ondo, algorand, HBAR, Cardano, all of these ISO plays, US-based, anything that fits in the RWA narrative. That to me is the big bet right now. Because Larry Fink at BlackRock, as soon as the ETFs went live, what did Larry Fink start talking about? What did Jamie Dimon, the big banks, what did they all start talking about? They all started talking about tokenization. And you start running some of the numbers. I mean, we're talking trillions of dollars here. If you really believe, like I do, that the next big iteration of blockchain is bridging the gap from TradFi to DeFi, what do you think is going to pump next? Now, listen, I could be wrong. I don't want to come off and sit here and say that I've got it all figured out. I'm guessing, guys. I'm literally guessing just like everybody else. But I feel like I'm putting some educated guesses together here. Okay. Ondo Finance recently surpassed a huge milestone, $1 billion TVL. There's over $4 billion TVL in tokenized US treasuries already. That number has grown exponentially in the last 2 to 3 months. Ondo has a big market share of it, over 25%. They're sitting here at $2.5 billion market cap, 81 cents today, top 40 crypto. To me, they are one of the most undervalued assets out there right now. And again, I could be wrong. We'll see. You've got Chainlink at the top, Hedera, Ondo. I could have put Chainlink and Hedera in this title of the video too. Most of my capital right now that is invested in the altcoin market is going heavily into the RWA sector. I took quite a few profits on Solana. I took quite a few profits even on HBAR, but still have a good bag. But I'm going all in on this RWA sector right now. I've been moving things around a little bit to get bigger, position sizes in these type of assets. Algorand, I'm a little upside down on the position. I'm probably going to DCA my way in a little bit more. At a $1.5 billion market cap. You look at XDC down here at $1 billion. Now, these are a little bit riskier bets. You get under $1 billion, right? You got Pendle, Axelar, Reserve Rights, Credit Coin. All of these have some potential. But this sector, to me, if you're going to make bets, and we're speculating, obviously. Anytime you get yourself outside of Bitcoin, you're speculating. And obviously, there's bigger speculative bets than others. For me, most of my holdings, Bitcoin and XRP right now. I've got more XRP than Ethereum. And I can comfortably say that. I've got more XRP than Ethereum and Solana. Now, I had more Solana because we ran it up with meme coins and stuff like that. Liquidated a lot of my Solana. Been buying XRP anytime it gets down below $2, guys. I'm sharing with you guys free alpha. I'm sharing with you guys free game. I could be right. I could be wrong. It's for entertainment purposes only. I'm just giving you guys my thoughts. I've been in crypto for 5+ years. I got to plant my flag, right? I got to make some moves. So I'm telling you guys what I'm doing. Bitcoin, I'm dollar cost averaging every single day. I've been doing that since April 2022. It's my largest holding. You can't lose by acquiring more Bitcoin, in my opinion. But then it's like, okay, what else, right? Let's get into the fun stuff. Let's get into the fun shit. Well, XRP to me, still at a great spot, top 5 crypto. To me, they're the only crypto here with one piece of news, that Ripple lawsuit being over. Boom, this thing could jump above $3-4. Boom, you get 18 ETFs I mean, that are already, out there right now for XRP. Ethereum needs way more to happen. They need the macro. They need institutional interest and eyeballs. Right now, there's more interest from retail and institutional side and the institutional side into XRP for me and everything tied to it. By the way, did I mention XRP Ripple? They're partnered with Ondo Finance, guys. And yeah, I like XRP's little brother Stellar, but give me Chainlink. Give me Chainlink over Stellar right now and HBAR just because of what they bring to the table. They allow smart contracts to basically transform and utilize these smart contract information in real data form in the real world. That's what Chainlink's doing. It's creating that bridge. So to me, they're very undervalued, less than 14. I like AVAX too. They fit in there. I still like SWE quite a bit. Don't get me wrong. I still like SWE quite a bit, and it's one of my top layer ones. My focus, though, first and foremost, is the RWA sector. Coming back to Ondo, I mentioned, the big news about surpassing 1 billion in TVL. They got a partnership with MasterCard, guys. And I know the chart doesn't look phenomenal right now. I get it. But it doesn't look terrible either. I mean, it's pretty steady. But this partnership with MasterCard's the first real-world asset provider to join MasterCard's multi-token network. Huge. Huge. Speaking of the Stellar network and XLM, Ondo just expanded. They're bringing their USDY stablecoin to the Stellar network. They're already partnered with Ripple. They've got the introduction of Ondo Chain. They're developing it right now. This is going to be a layer 1 blockchain, guys, designed specifically for institutional grade RWAs. It's going to be a hybrid public permission chain combining the openness of public blockchain with the compliance and security features required by the institutions, which that's how it'll be, aiming to facilitate the integration of traditional finance systems with DeFi. This is where I think the capital is going to flow. So give me all the Ondo right now under $1. And I know the price has been decimated, but when you zoom out, to me, this is one big opportunity. This is where my capital is flowing right now. Some may agree, some may disagree. But I don't think this is going to be like 2021 where you can literally throw a dart and hit bullseye. I just don't think it's going to be that simple. So this is why I'm going all in on Ondo Finance and XRP. Why I'm going all in on assets like Chainlink, HBAR, right? And yes, I've got some other pieces. Like I still like Solana, I still like, some other plays here. Don't get me wrong, right? SWE, I've done very well on that over the last couple years. I like Uniswap a lot on the DeFi side. I still hold a lot of Pepe. When Ethereum pumps, I think Pepe is going to have a big meme coin run up. I still like some of these plays. BitTenzer Tau, one of my favorites. Caspa as well. There's a lot of different things I like and hold. But algorand, XRP, HBAR, Chainlink, this is where I'm going all in on. A lot of my portfolio here, when it's all said and done, is going to be positioned in that RWA sector. Ripple, I've told you guys with XRP, I know they do the cross-border payment stuff, but I think the real big play here is tokenization as a service. I think that's where XRP is going big time. Okay? So super excited to hear your guys' thoughts down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. XT Algo, my trading indicator. If you want to level up your game, you want the same tools that I use to get in early and to get out at the right times, this is what I had built back in 2023. Literally, it's $30 a month, $1 a day, little over $30 a month to get yourself started. You get some better deals if you go with the quarterly or yearly option. You could try it risk-free for 30 days. I walk you through how to use everything in my tutorial. You can set up your own customized alerts. I literally set you all up within a half hour after purchase if you're ready to level up. XT Algo, links down below. Appreciate you guys for watching the video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.